In the current industrial and asset management world, pursuing efficiency is more essential than ever. To achieve maximum performance, exploring new technologies and advances to correlate important information and obtain a more accurate prescription is critical. Introducing the Elektron MCA460, the SEMEQ's current and voltage sensor. An essential tool for monitoring motors in operation, the Elektron MCA460 operates as an intelligent, highly efficient device, detecting possible faults in electric motors such as power quality, power supply circuit, rotor, stator, insulation, air gap, and bearings. Detecting electrical current and voltage signals provides valuable insights into equipment operation and plays an essential role in day-to-day asset management. The Elektron MCA detects faults in devices such as the soft starter, evaluates the starting condition, and detects faults in VFD, variable frequency drive, pinpointing issues related to triggering. The voltage module shows the difference between impedance and current, which indicates insulation failure. Furthermore, analyzing the power factor can have a direct effect on the level of energy consumption. Designed to adapt to diverse and broad conditions, this versatility allows it to be applied in different industrial environments. With remote configuration, it is possible to adjust parameters flexibly and precisely, optimize monitoring in a personalized way, and stay ahead of technological demands with remote firmware updates and wireless communication via the Bluetooth protocol. Avoid unplanned downtime and reduce operating costs with the continuous and accurate monitoring provided by Elektron MCA. The MCA460 is the perfect choice for a variety of industrial environments. Contact us today and bring this innovation to your plant. SEMEQ is ready to boost your business performance. Did you like this video? Like it, comment on it, and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, press the bell